हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लिलियंस वर्ल्ड। आज मैं आप लोगों के बीच में ला रही हूँ एक बहुत ही फेमस पेंटर हुज नेम इज योसुदीप एंड हिज paintings has been becoming very recently very famous in Facebook. You must have seen his paintings also, but I want to explore his life, his room, his paintings. So just have a look over it. I'll give a Skype call to him and I'll record every bit of it. Let me see how far I can do it. Please do have a look. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Lilian's World. Today I have before you Mr. Yosudeep, and he is one of the most famous painter of today's time, and I have been a great fan of his paintings since childhood, and like his paintings very much. So please do have a look. You will also like it definitely. It's a treat to the eye. So show me your lifestyle, your paintings, and everything. I want to see every bit of it.
Yes, that'd be great to show what I'm doing right now. This is just a room. This is not a permanent studio setup. I moved to this house recently, almost a year back, and I still have to set up a proper light and other stuff, but I have a lot of painting things here scattered actually in the room. I'm sitting in front of a canvas where I recently almost completed a painting. This is not yet dry, therefore it is glazing too much, but still I can roll the camera to show how it looks at this moment. If I bring the camera, you can see probably the painting of a portrait of a man. Yeah. This is painted oil on canvas. And I have what technique I used. That is the first thing people would like to know. When I do a oil paint, I mostly read and I start with a photograph as a reference. I start with a rough sketch, like not exactly the face of the person, but I try to put the head, the eyes, the ears, and the lips on the right position, and then I build it with colors.
Have a close up of it. Each of the paintings.
Okay. Yes. Is it visible now?
Yeah, it's visible. One by one, you show it to us.
This is a ongoing painting, and I have few more.
So
like
real,
for example,
it looks so real.
Yes, then I can show here. This is a lady. This I painted probably in 2007, and this is the painting of a young monk. This I painted in last April, probably end of April. And this is another portrait. He is one of my relative, and I painted this in February probably. Beautiful. And this is a half done painting. This is I didn't complete, so I'm keeping this in the corner of this room. And
that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yes. This is something different I tried during the lockdown period when I was staying in home. I thought that why don't I try to paint something slightly different from what I usually do. It's a painting of a sculpture, and this is a bronze model. I tried to utilize the shadow and the rough strokes of the brush to bring this body forward. So this is another one. So there are a few of this painting, and then I have some sketches. I also work with what is called in charcoal. So I have some of the human figures, some portraits I framed. Like these are some of the paintings I'm keeping here. Like so. Is it visible? Is it visible, or I need a bit little more light?
It's visible. It's visible. It's quite visible.
This is visible. This is another medium which I love. This is quicker than an oil painting. The first one, these all trees are done with charcoal.
Oh, great.
Charcoal.
Very nice. Very nice.
And you can see this is one is the Pablo Picasso at the extreme right, followed by Albert Camus. And he's the one I would especially like to mention this portrait of this person. He is John Singer Sargent. I admire him. Usually, I try to follow his style. and I painted him. He was a famous American painter of 19th century, and I follow his style of working, and then some figurative, and this is how the canvases are lying here. So if anyone is interested, then I can show a little bit more. And these are a little bit darker portion of this room, but still there are some paintings visible. This is a portrait of my
I
mother.
yes. Please show
Yes.
once more. Yeah. I do remember.
Yes, yes. I don't know if the light is sufficient or not, but
Yeah,
could
it's
be
sufficient.
enough. But
Just give a close-up
in,
look.
in
Yeah.
yeah, in
Like,
future
beautiful.
maybe I will
Uh,
share these paintings with you
so
for
just
more
Sanjuna,
details.
tell me how long does it take for one painting to be completed?
Yeah, it depends. It depends on many factors. It actually depends on the way I paint, the style I follow. For example, if I go for doing a oil painting and if I want to do it a very fine painting like the one I'm doing right now,
Hmm.
it takes time. It takes
Okay.
usually or so because I do not paint every day and color takes time to dry.
Okay.
Paint and then it takes 1 or 2 days to dry. Then I put the second layer and so on and on. And sometimes what happened, particularly for this painting, it happened that after I thought that is almost completed, but suddenly I noticed that the more absorbed by the canvas and it lost its brightness.
Okay.
And it's just have to you never know when the real brightness will come. It will be that much realistic, but it will be quicker. If I follow
Mhm.
that style, then I can finish one portrait in single sitting, perhaps,
Okay.
or two sittings. If I
So
finish in two
how
sittings,
much will it
then
cost if I give you my painting to paint, but I should look very beautiful in it. I should look thin and beautiful.
yes, yeah.
Like, how
How
much
much
means
time I
not time means how much cost means if my friends want to paint or my relatives want to paint or someone else wants to paint means if they can order it to you, how much will you charge for it? One portrait.
yes, right. This again depends on the size and the medium. Like
Mm.
if someone wants a what is called mm, 40 by 50 centimeter canvas, something like size of this one or the this one, say for example,
Yeah,
this painting.
yeah, this
So
one.
the material, if I go for a high quality canvas and good quality colors, like for example, as I told you right now, sometimes the canvas absorbs colors
Mhm.
and we the brightness. If we go for colors from the Camlin brand, which is readily available, sometimes we do not get that very fine finishing. Therefore, some colors that I use, like for example, one I'm holding here, this is a Goya, this color,
Mhm.
this brand. And if I go for using a medium, this is color rolling, this oil to mix with the color. Then usually the material itself costs around 7 to 8 thousand, or sometimes around 9,000. That you paint me, and then there says that you choose a photo from my Facebook profile and you paint. But that is a very difficult thing. Like if someone has a photograph in Facebook, if it is a selfie or something, it doesn't have a proper light and shade, then I cannot paint. The
Okay.
angle has to be light and
Okay.
shade should be there so that
And
I can get the
Sanjuda, one thing is that the human face is the most difficult thing to be painted because I have also
yeah.
tried out. I could not do it, so it's
Mm,
quite difficult actually for a human figure to look exactly like a human.
true. Portrait. I also started portrait little late in my life, although I started painting from a very young age, like say for example 4 years. You know it already.
Yeah.
And I painted my first portrait when I was 14, 15-year old, but that was not perfect. And portrait is not about about lightness. That's why that's how I feel. Like if you put the ear, the eye, and the nose on the right place, it will look like that person, right? But that's not the ultimate aim. You need to have the expression. You need to have the mood. You need to have many things. The
Yeah.
portrait has something big. You need a lot of experience, and still I'm not very perfect. But I have been painting, let's say, last 10, 15 years.
Right, right.
But yes, oil takes time, but the charcoal, I can do it quickly. And
Okay.
I do not do watercolor much
Okay.
for paint, for portrait, but for other things, yes, I do. But portrait, I'm not very comfortable doing in watercolor. So far, I have to
Okay.
give some more effort.
Mhm. I'm hoping to make more blogs with you, where you can teach the beginners. At least you can inspire a few of the beginners where they can paint it. Some basic ideas as to how to
Yeah,
start painting, because most of the painters like us, like, they vanish off because they don't have the proper knowledge of it, or they don't get time also. So yes, one more thing, Sanjuta, how do you take out time besides your other works, because it's not your profession, like it was a hobby and then it turned to a part part of your life. So how did you take out the time? Because I don't find to hold a brush and the paint, besides having so much passion of painting, because most of my school friends, they will
mhm,
know that Lillian paints well, but at one point I have given up. So, but
yeah.
how did you continue and became such a good painter? I just wanted to know that.
Yeah, that was it's a right. For me also, it is not an easy job to continue painting. Uh, Everyone stops painting at a certain part of
Certain
life
point.
or certain
Yeah.
stage of life. Say, for example, because of the study, because of that, whatever, mostly
Mhm.
for the academic reason.
Yeah.
I also stopped painting, or I was painting maybe one painting a year, and I was a student after passing my class 10th. But when I started my job way back in 2009, then I thought, why don't I start it again?
Mhm.
Then I thought that it should become a part of my life. Yeah, it's
Mhm.
just a hobby.
Yeah,
Then
obviously,
when I,
a painter should paint, a dancer
yeah,
should dance, and a singer should sing, right? So
right,
it's, I know it's a part of your life, really. I have seen you since my childhood. I have admired, I have adored your paintings, because it's quite different, it's quite unique, each of the pieces. And I'll need the snapshots, each of the snapshots. You send it to me.
yes.
This I will upload it as one of the interview, and other
Hmm.
paintings, each of the paintings I will make a separate video of it, and I'll definitely publish in my own YouTube channel. Okay, Sanjuda?
Okay, that would be great. That's
So,
my pleasure.
okay, then see you soon. So,
Then
viewers, please do watch Sanjuda's painting, and nice meeting you, Sanjuda. We'll meet again with more
we
videos
will,
together.
we will.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
All
Take
right.
care.
Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Yeah.
Bye.